7:30, and it's going to Amersfoort Vathorst.
And it's the first stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exit. Just hold on.
What are their names?
Marlowe's and Gabriel.
Is this them?
I think so. He said meet me right outside. Awesome.
We're just gonna walk up to some random car. Airbnb? No? No? Alright. I don't know. Is that them? Airbnb?
Yeah.
Oh, how are you doing? How you doing? Hello, Nick.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Stephanie.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, thank you so much.
Shall we put the luggage here?
Cool.
You found it easy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a little heavy.
Thank you.
Perfect timing. We just got here. Perfect timing.
If you say me that I go from station, I know that in 5 minutes you are here.
Perfect. Perfect.
One station.
Thank you.
For my daughter there.
Let me show you my Airbnb. My little hiding spot. Let me show you guys the inside. Yeah, kitchenette. It works. Pretty clean. We did drink out of it. It was good. Microwave we haven't used, but pretty recent. This is the bathroom. We got this nice water fountain sink, waterfall sink. It's cool and it looks cool, but when I wash my hands, I need to splash my shirt. This fucking shower is terrible. Look. We got the broken fancy shower head that wobbles and wiggles. And this door right here is not even a door, it's just 2 doors put together. Pretty shit towel. I mean, it's like a sponge and doesn't ever dry. Flush that way. I don't know what the difference is. Let me open this. So this is our only ventilation. It's not powered. The window's not really that open. So as you can tell, it gets pretty steamy up in this bitch. The walls are wet. She's got these waterproof tiles, but still. It's alright. It's a decent room. I think we paid $110. Could have been better. 3.8 out of 5. What do you say?